This is a ray tracing gizmo for mirrors. The purpose of each activity is to derive a rule that you will use to make ray diagrams. So please follow the instructions carefully. In this activity, which is the first activity, you must select colorized lines. So I will select colorized lines since it's not selected here. Next, you should select parallel line. It's already selected here, so that's fine. However, you do not need to select central line and line through focal point, so I will deselect both. You need to select original light lines, reflected light lines, and apparent light lines. They are all selected here, so that's fine. Next, you need to select concave mirror instead of convex mirror. The next step is to move the focal point to -10. In order to move the focal point, you first place the cursor on the blue dot, click and hold the left mouse key, and move the mouse until the dot is moved to -10. Now this is the focal point. This is your principal axis. This is the incident ray. This is a reflected ray. And this is the object. And this is the image. Note that the incident ray is parallel to the principal axis. The next step is to move the object and make observations. In order to move the object, you will place the cursor on the object, click and hold the left mouse key, and then move the mouse. Note that for every incident ray that is parallel to the principal axis, the reflected ray always passes through the focal point. In other words, this is the incident ray that is parallel to the principal axis. The reflected ray always passes through the focal point. This is rule 1. Try to understand what you're doing and create visual images so that you can memorize this rule, because you will need to apply it when drawing ray diagrams.